Hello and welcome back, guys. Today what we're going to talk about is trading sessions. This will be a short video. Trading sessions is not a long drawn out explanation. Trading sessions, what does that mean? Basically, it's when you can trade. Okay. Now, if you're familiar with trading the stock market, or if you're not, let me educate you a little bit. Stock market opens in the morning and it closes in the afternoon, similar to like a bank. It closes, it pretty much follows banking hours, if you will, okay? And it is East Coast time. Why? Because the New York Stock Exchange is on the East Coast. So it always goes by Eastern Standard Time. Now, if you want to trade stocks, you have to trade while the market is open, okay? The good thing about the Forex market, okay, is it's actually open 24 hours a day from Sunday, 5 p.m. Eastern Time to Friday, 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay? Why is that? Why is that, you ask? Well, reason being, if you remember from the very first video of the beginner section, how I mentioned that this is a global financial market, okay? Is a global financial market. Well, the Forex market is actually broken up into four major sessions. Okay, four major sessions. There are other sessions as well, but it's broken up into the four major sessions. Okay, and those sessions are New York, London, Tokyo or Asian. A lot of the times it's in Tokyo, but we call it the Asian session. Okay, and Sydney, New Zealand or Australian, also known as the Sydney session. Okay, so what the Forex market is able to do is it is able to follow the time zones for each one of these locations and stay open. Okay, so all these are time zones. Okay, these are time zones, and as the time zone goes across the map, the Forex market is able to just follow those time zones of when each of those exchanges are open. Okay, there's a New York exchange, there's a London exchange, there's a Tokyo exchange, and there is a Sydney exchange. Okay, so basically what it does is the Forex market just follows those time zones, and that's what it allows it to stay open 24 hours a day. We trade during each one of these time zones. Okay, so this graph will give you a little bit better explanation. If you see, so what did we say? We said that the market opens for us. For us here in the United States, we always go, no matter what state you're in, we always go by Eastern Standard Time. And that's because, as I said, the New York Stock Exchange is in Eastern Time, so we just automatically go by Eastern Standard Time. Convert it into your own time zone if you have to, but when we're talking about the Forex market here in the United States, we usually talk about Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so 5 p.m. Eastern Time till Sunday night. So we can actually, here in the United States, if you're talking Eastern Standard Time, we can actually start trading at 5 p.m. on Sunday night. Why is that? Why can we start trading on Sunday? Well, if it's 5 p.m. here on Sunday, in Australia, it's actually Monday morning. Okay, so if we look at this chart here, this is a 24-hour Eastern Standard Time clock. 1700 hours is 5 p.m. Okay, so if we just go down, that's when Sydney opens. The Sydney Stock Exchange opens Monday morning for them, but it's actually Sunday night for us here in the United States. So that's what happens. It opens Monday for them, which is actually Sunday night for us. Okay, and then we travel down the time clock. Tokyo opens just a couple of hours after the Sydney does. Okay, so basically they all overlap. While Tokyo's open, London opens. Okay, and then Tokyo closes after London opens, and then New York opens while London is open, and they overlap. And then when New York closes, Sydney opens back up. And we just repeat that Tuesday, repeat it Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday until 5 p.m. Friday. Okay, now Forex does close at 5 p.m. Eastern time. If you are trading currency pairs, indices, stuff like that, if you are trading crypto on the foreign exchange, you can actually trade that 24/7, okay? You can trade cryptocurrencies on the Forex platform. If you are trading cryptocurrencies, you can actually trade those 24/7, okay? So what a lot of people do, if they want to trade over the weekend, if they want to open up their phone or get on their computer and do some trades over the weekend, they will do it on cryptocurrencies. Okay, so that's it, guys, for trading sessions. Basically, all it does is it follows the time zones of each financial exchange around the world, and that's what allows us to trade 24/7, guys. So it really allows you to, if you have a busy schedule, you might work days and can't trade during the day. You can trade in the evening, okay? You can trade between 7 p.m. and 11 p.m. That's a really good time frame, and that is the Asian hour, okay? That is the Tokyo hour, 7 p.m. So 7 to 11 is a good time. That's when Sydney and Tokyo are both open, okay? 8 a.m. to about 11 or 12. That's when London and New York overlap. Another good time frame to trade, okay? 2 p.m. in the morning. 2 a.m. in the morning. Sorry, excuse me. 2 a.m. in the morning till about 5 a.m. in the morning is another powerful time frame to trade. Now, that is Eastern time. If you're on the other side of the world, it's daytime for you. But that is when London is open. Okay, in London, during London hours, which for us here in the United States is in the middle of the night, that's a very volatile time to trade. So there's volatile times to trade all throughout the 24-hour time clock. So it does allow those of us that have very odd schedules or very busy lives, it does allow us to fit it in some time in a 24-hour time period and be able to make some good money, okay? So with that said, guys, I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed one. Take care.